In this video, we are going to be putting doors and windows to this project. And to do that, we are going to identify the positions of the doors and the window. So we need a main entrance door to access this living room, and we need a window to provide light to the living room. We equally need a door to access this room, same with the other room, and we need a door to access this toilet, and equally windows for the room, the toilet, and the room here. Well, to do that, we are going to extend this line, which you just click on it and stretch from here to here. Then we are going to insert the door of 90. So to click on offset and type in 0.9. We are just going to offset this wall this way by 90. Then the window is going to follow immediately after the door. So the window is going to be 2 meters. So click on the offset command, press in 2, enter, and you can just offset the wall again by 2 meters. Now activate the trim command. So type in trim on your keyboard, press enter. So you can trim out this part, and you can trim out this part. So here will be the door, which will open this way, and here will be the window. Firstly, to be able to draw the doors, we are going to change the layers to the wall layer. And to do that, you are going to navigate to your layer properties up here and change it to doors. Now we are going to form the doors. So click on the rectangle command. So to create the door, you are going to click on the rectangle command, which is here. You are going to draw a rectangle this way. So you are going to left click on your mouse, type in 0.05, click on tap on your keyboard and type in 0.15, then press enter. A small rectangle like this is going to form. You are going to select the rectangle, click on copy. You are going to choose a base point, which is this, and you are going to copy in 0.85. Press enter. After doing that, you are going to click on the rectangle command again, and on the first point, which is here, you are going to type in a distance 0.05. then you're going to use tap on your keyboard and you type in 0.8. press enter, and you're going to form this. The next thing you do is navigate to the top left of your screen and activate the polyline command, which is this. You are going to draw a polyline starting from this point right down to this point. Then you're just going to press enter. Click on the polyline, move towards the center of the line and convert to arc. So you are going to type in 0.3, press enter. So as you can see, a door has been neatly formed. So select the door, choose copy, select a base point, which is this, and move the door. Unactivate your auto mode and move the door to this position. Right click and press enter. As you can see, we have positioned the door neatly. We are going to position the window this way, and to do that, we are going to draw the window. So navigate to your layer properties, change from doors to window. The windows in this project are 2 meters, so we are going to click on the rectangular command, click on the first point. We are going to type in 2 meters, then click on tap on your keyboard and type in 0.15. press enter. We are going to select the rectangle, click on the offset command, which is here. It's going to separate the rectangle into different parts. Now click on the offset command, type in 0.05, press enter, and you're going to offset this line inside, offset this line inside. Press escape on your keyboard, click back on offset command, type in 0.075, press enter, and you're going to offset this line to the center. Then activate your trim command, press enter, and you're going to trim out this part and this part, and that's your window neatly formed. So select the window, click on the copy command, which is this, and choose a base point, which is this, and neatly place your window here. So we have our door and our window neatly placed. Repeat this process and put the doors and the windows in every position in our building. To do that, click on the extend command and you extend this line this way. You are going to offset it by 0.9 so we can be able to place the door here. You can trim this out. So we just have to copy the door, click on copy, and we have to flip the door, so position it here, and we are going to select the door. We use the mirror command, which is here. I'll mirror this door, but to do that we are going to activate the auto mode so that it can be straight, which is here. And AutoCAD is going to prompt us to erase source object, which we are going to click yes, and we are just going to select this, click on copy. We're going to choose the base point, which is this, and we'll place it here. We're going to select the door this way and place it in another area. And if you finish your floor plan, I would like to hear it down in the comment section, and any difficulties you face, I'm down in the comment section to resolve.